day one, 2024 6 summer. So we hauled all our luggage down. You know, everybody's gonna get set up, do their last minute whatevers. I'm gonna change plugs out this morning, and then we are going to set the tire pressure, go to the, you know, the driver's meeting, and then they'll run AB cars, AB, I think radio, AB slick, and then CD today. That's the run order, IMC. So yeah, just got to do a little few things, empty the car out, like I said, change the plugs, and that's about it today. So anyway, guys, we'll get the day rolling. All right, guys, just to give you an idea, you know, there's the entrance to the staging lanes. Here's where we're at. There's Cole. And then you can get an idea way, you know, the cars are pitted way back there, all along the grass back along here. You can see there's a bunch here. There's not a huge, I'll say, paved pit area. So this is, you know, obviously a bunch of the cars here. And then there are some cars on the other end of the grandstand down there. So there's, you know, AB cars running right now. You can see there's a few more, you know, kind of give you an idea. So we'll be getting to go here soon. We're just, you know, they're running, like I said, AB radial, then they'll be running AB slick, and then they'll pull up C and D. And they will be changing up the run order during the week, so we could be running first tomorrow for all I know, and then we can hit the road early. So we'll see how it all goes. So they're going to switch things up, like, apparently as the week goes on. I think they said there was 318 cars here. So, you know, good turnout of cars. So we're just kind of walking through. Check this out. That's a real clean car. That's quite a supercharger setup. And then there's, you know, some of the other cars with Goldstone, and there's Alex and Nick, and you know, some of the other cars. Fortunately, Clark had a bad run, so they're trying to figure it out. So yeah, a little walk through the pits. Kind of see some of the stuff that's here real quick. Didn't get a chance to really do any of this yesterday. Yeah, I suppose I could have, but there's some cool cars. There was at least a third of the people raised their hands, said this is their first ever drag and drive when they in the driver's meeting. So, you know, a lot of new people doing their first time. Well, that's why there's a lot of new cars, and some cars I have seen before. Alright guys,
Cole on that pass. Now he's faster than me, normally aspirated, than I am on nitrous. But we had a nice clean run. You know, he looked like he had a good clean run. I had a good clean run. So stop up here in a second. We'll grab the slip and see what she ran. I was really happy with it. So the car went A to B, no troubles whatsoever. So yeah, we'll find out here once the guy hands me the piece of paper. Thank you. Oh, 11.5. 11.513. Now, Rick made a nice pass, but he went too fast. He went 9.92. He can't turn that in. He's teched at 10.0. And then Mike earlier, he ran 9.8 and 9.97. He wanted to kind of run somewhere in between there. So we don't know if he's going to run again or not. But Mike had, you know, he's basically in the pro DOI, so he wants to run that high 9. So anyway, we're back in the lanes. Rick's right behind me. He's going to make another pass because he's got to slow it down just a skosh. And I just want to do it because, you know what? I'm here to have fun. All right, guys, we're getting ready for pass number 2. I turned off the half-second delay on the nitrous, so I want to see how much of a difference it makes. A to B. It definitely left a little harder. I brought it up on the RPM a little bit more too for the launch, and we'll see what the ticket says. Again, another real nice clean A to B. 222.
Yeah, I don't think I had 222. You want to go up Tower?
What's that?
Tower might have your ticket, but that's really weird unless they messed up your number big time. They don't have anything close to that.
Alright. Guys, they didn't get a ticket. So I'll have to look at Rick's slip, you know, to see what I ran. He was saying maybe they didn't put in my number correct. I don't know. So I'll have to go and look at Rick's slip to see what I actually ran. I may have to take a screenshot of it. I like that number better than the one I just ran earlier, if that's the one I want to turn in. So we'll have to see what they want to do. So guys, I went to go turn in my time slip, and I'm supposed to be car 322, not 222. So somebody, whoever did it, put the wrong number on my car, and there is nobody registered to 222. So I need to put on 322 on my car. But apparently people at the track have been screwing up the slips too, putting wrong car numbers on, you know, the lanes. All right, guys, Jace is in the lanes for a second pass. He ran 11:37 his first pass, a personal best. Actually, all 3 runs have been personal best because this is his first 3 runs ever. So here we go. We're gonna see his 4th ever pass. See if he can do another personal best right here. Kid's having a blast. Oh, looks like they're doing a little track cleanup, so we'll come back here in a second. All right, so they got it cleaned up. Oh, there's a burnout. Sorry.
still not bad, not bad. Now guys, Rick is up here for a third pass because the first two he's gone too fast. He went 9.992 and 9.9. So he needs to slow it down. He can't go faster than 10.00. Hopefully, if we get the third pass, he can hit that 10.0 something, turn in a flip, and start the changeover from the road. Alright guys, we are getting all changed over. Rick finally ran a slow enough pass at 10:56, I think it was, to turn in a time slip. Cole's getting changed over, I'm done. I think Jace is done. There's Jace, the happy young man today. Mike's helping Rick, so he's just got to swap his tires out and then they'll be ready to hit the road. So I think we're hopefully only about 30 minutes from hitting the road. And then we'll go to the party and have a little fun.
All right, guys, we're on our way to Rockville. I think it's, I don't know, around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The Rockville party goes from 4 to 10 p.m. So if all goes well, we'll be there in about an hour. So we'll have plenty of time to go there and have a good time for a little bit. And then we'll head on over to the hotel for the evening. So, anyway. Lost my train of thought. But anyway, we're on our way to Rockville. Kick back, relax. Hopefully, we have a good time in Rockville. They're really laying it out for us. It's supposed to be like a burnout pit and special parking for us. And I'm sure a lot of people have headed over to Rockville because it's from the tracks. So they can check this event out because they've been talking it up. So yeah, we'll have a good time.
Alright guys, so we made it to the Rock Falls and apparently the burnout pit must be over there. So we're going to take a wander over there, see if there's anybody still doing any burnouts or not. You can see, the car show going on here. A lot of people showing up. So unfortunately we got here a little late, but we're going to go take a walk over there and see if there's still any action going on. Well guys, you can see it looks like the burnout stuff is over, but it looks like they had a few cars that left some rubber. As we drove in, we could smell some of it, so I don't know if they're still allowing more cars to do it or not, but yeah, it looks like unfortunately we just kind of missed it. But as you can see, but from the crowd, a lot of people here showed up for it. Here, maybe that'll help if I take. A lot of people showed up for it, which is pretty cool that the city, supported the event. Like I said, we got here a little late, kind of missed some of it, but I think I'm going to make my way to that food truck in a few minutes and get something to eat. So guys, these guys in this Ranger right here apparently did the burnout pit, and the burnout pit kind of won. They were saying that he was in third gear, 4L80E, and he didn't realize that the tires had stopped spinning. So they checked the plug, drain plug, called the transmission guy, was putting new fluid in it. He says he has all 3 gears or all the gears, so But we'll find out tomorrow when she's under boost, if she's still got all the gears.
Hey guys, it is 8:40, I think, now in the evening. I think we left the track, I don't know, 3:30, 4 o'clock. 38 miles to the checkpoint. You know, we had a little mishap with Cole. Hey, things are unexpected happen. We get there, and Mike started having a miss in his Orange Cobra. So it was the second cylinder on the passenger bank, and we were able to, it was an injector, looks like it got plugged, and so we were able to back flush it with some brake clean and a little compressor to look, you know, with like a basketball needle, you know, to stick in and try to get the pinhole and flush it with brake clean, and Mike was able to get it cleaned out finally. So we had that issue, so that took a little bit. And then we had, you know, some dinner while we were there at that checkpoint, and now we're finally going to the hotels. So we've got, I think I'll be at the hotel around 9:15. So the day started at 7 a.m. Well, actually 6:30 in the morning. So we started about 6:30 in the morning, and you know, hauling our gear down and driving our stuff, and you know, and then putting our trucks and, you know, trailers and all that in the impound area. And so now we're finally, you know, here we are, however many hours later, just a little ways from the hotel. So, with that said, guys, hopefully I'll give you one more update this evening when we get there.
Stay in the left
And that
lane.
will wrap up